Right, so now I'm going to talk about the emotional impact of being homeless. So when you're homeless, everything is immediate. Like, you don't have a place to sleep. You don't have water, you don't have a shower. So regardless of whatever else you have going on, like your dreams or your doctor's appointment or whatever else, like, it just trumps everything. So you're always in the state of survival. And if you've never been in a state of survival, your brain is only consumed with that. And everything is so immediate and so urgent that it comes across as like really, really aggressive. And so people, think I'm really aggressive, but it's like, you just need an answer immediately. Like, you literally just need an answer because you don't know where you're going to spend the night. And people say, oh, I understand, but like, you don't. Like, if you don't know where you're going to spend the night, if you don't have a place where you can turn on a tap and get water, if you don't know, have enough money to pay for gas, if you don't have enough money to pay for contacts so you can drive, or pay for insurance or pay for tickets, and then so there's all that. So the worry is just all consuming. And then the PTSD is crazy. Like, I have the medical PTSD from my daughter's experiences and my experiences, and then just the experiences of being homeless is endless PTSD, because everywhere you go, you're just waiting for that knock on the door, and, rangers or police or whatever. Everybody assumes the worst of you. If you live in an RV or you live in a van, then you must be a drug dealer or a pedophile. I would pick up my daughter from school and people would grab her, grab my child and pull her out of the RV. And she's like, that's my home, so, you got a lifetime of this. And then me as a parent, you've got all the guilt of, not being able to provide a home, which is a lot too. So, so the emotional impact is it's endless. So you end up being really, really just traumatized all the time, state of survival all the time, triggered all the time. So I just want a place that's mine, where you can literally lock the door and it'll be safe. And I've never had that.